Well, hello, this is Dr. Gerrie coming to you on July 24th in the year 2021. I'm very excited and proud to bring you this presentation about the G999 ecosystem and GSPartners. Yes, I have a couple degrees in economics and education and a doctorate in theology. But what I've learned in the last 5 years far supersedes anything I learned in university. It's a whole new world, and we are all learning together. For over a decade, I was educating people: get gold, get silver. It's real money. And I still tell people to do that, but I'm also telling them right now to get the right cryptocurrency, the right digital currency. And so today I'm going to tell you about one system that engages a couple cryptocurrencies. Now, please stop the video if you will and read this disclaimer. I'd appreciate that. Thank you so much. Now, I want to say that I know that most people have some significant concerns about their wealth now and in the days to come. It's a topsy-turvy world. It's crazy out there right now. But I want to bring you some peace and an opportunity here. But first, let's look at those concerns. Look, if you don't understand that the rate of inflation in currencies around the world is greater than 10%, then I'm here to educate you right now. You know yourself that when you go to the supermarket or the grocery store in whatever country you are in, that basket of groceries did not cost 2% more from a year previous. It's well over 10%. And so in the realm of economics, finances, your household money, you need to understand that inflation right now is significant and you need to do something about it. By the way, inflation is not that things cost more, it's that the buying power of your currency has gone down, and it's gone down from the printing of currencies. Okay? Now, a lot of people right now are online and they are looking for something called residual income. A residual income is when you go to bed, money is being made for you. When you go on vacation, money is being made for you. You have found a system or systems that are putting your wealth to work. And please, please, no matter where you're at in your wealth journey right now, please know that you can create a residual income system. I'm going to show you one of them today. A lot of people around the world look at real estate and go, ay, 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 I didn't get in time, or it's just too expensive. It's out of reach. And in many nations around the world, it is out of reach. And people have been forced into the renting game. So they look at real estate and say, oh, that could never be me. You're going to see something today where it can be you. All right. Now, retirement income. People are concerned, they're stressed with what's going on in the economies around the world, and especially in the last year and a half where so much has been shut down. What about my retirement income? It's always on people's mind, and if it's not, it should be. You're going to get older. Your ability to earn, your ability to generate income is going to be lessened. Okay. We're also in an age now too where grown parents whose children they're out of the house now, but yet the parents are still helping those children because of these significant economic times. Not only that, they're supporting their parents. There's a lot of monetary pressure on some households. Now, you may know that we've come into an era of cryptocurrency, and you may be in a place where it's, oh my goodness, it's all too intimidating to me. I've heard about Bitcoin and Ethereum and some of the others, but I haven't got a clue. Um, we're providing some education for you here a little bit now and more later should you choose to get involved. And also, you've heard of people actually earning with crypto. That is, in the same way that you put money in the bank and earn an interest, well, or you used to, you can actually do that with cryptocurrency now. So these are the top interests or concerns in a list that we're going to be addressing today. Now, also, please know that this is an asset-focused opportunity. Yes, there's a business side of this where you can build a business if you so choose. Mostly, it's asset-focused. In other words, you are going to exchange your current wealth, your fiat currency, whatever nation you're in, you're going to convert it into some asset classes that you might not have been able to before. Now, when we look at the topic on investing, by the way, I am not a financial planner. I don't give financial advice. I'm presenting to you an opportunity to think about some things and choose to get involved or not. And you will have also read the previous disclaimer. Now, there's different kinds of investors. There's those who are professional. They've studied what investing is. And there's amateurs like myself. Okay. And what do they think about? Well, do I get involved in stocks and bonds? Well, bonds are only paying out a very low percentage. They do not beat inflation right now, not at all. Some people say, oh, my money's safe in bonds. Well, it may be safe, but you're losing every year. Stocks, highly volatile right now and very risky. You do your own research as to what's going on in the world. Why is that? It's because they're connected to the fiat currency central banking system. We have mutual funds. Again, when you do the research on those, they've mostly been losers. Real estate, you need to know what you're doing in the realm of real estate investing. You can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money, and certainly if you don't do it in the right way, you're going to have a lot of headaches. Okay, IPOs, usually that's for the very wealthy, what's called sophisticated investors. They typically will find out about IPOs and invest at an early time. Leaving your money in the bank, well, I invite you to Google the term bail-out laws, bail-in laws, I should say, bail-in laws, bail-in. Google bail-in, see what happens. Your money actually, you are classified as an unsecured lender to the bank. You'll be shocked, okay? Furthermore, are you making any interest in the bank? Furthermore, some banks in Europe, they make you pay to keep your money in there. You can also start a business with your extra fiat currency. By the way, when you'll see fiat currency in the center here, if you haven't heard that term before, fiat just means not backed by gold or silver, which allows governments to print mercilessly. And that's what's going on right now in USA, in Canada, in Europe, the European Economic Union, China, all over the world. Printing, printing, printing. Another way to invest or have your money make money is through Forex trading or online trading. And again, you really have to know what you're doing. Precious metals, as I said earlier, always a good idea to have some money in gold and or silver. And last and not least, cryptocurrency, the world of digital currency. So what I'm going to do right now, isn't this an interesting looking slide? What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you a high level overview of the different aspects of the GSPartner G999 utility cryptocurrency and blockchain. Wow, there's a mouthful, okay? So I'm going to give you an overview. I'm going to give you a step by step. And that's all we're going to do in this one video, just the 10,000 foot view, and then I'll have separate videos for each of the parts in the system. So this first box is the legend box. That P means passive income. Passive income opportunity. You see a lot of P's on that in the slide already. We're going to look at the 3 regular cryptocurrencies. The top cryptocurrencies of the world are called Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, also called Tether. The G999 crypto, that's the cryptocurrency in this system. That's a utility crypto, meaning it's actually used as gas or a currency in our ecosystem. We also have something called XLT. That's our real estate token. And we also have the Lydian Lion, which is involved in something called Lydian World. So there's your legend. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter here. This is the G999 cryptocurrency coin, cryptocurrency. It is used in our blockchain. And in our blockchain are multiple products and services. Okay, I'll pick out a few of them. We have a communications package, email, voicemail, texting. And each of these services, what does it take to run? To run them, it's the G999 coin. We have something called an NFT program, non-fungible tokens. Think of it as collectibles or other related entities that you can put onto the blockchain. And again, it runs on the G999. We are going to be bringing in gold, silver, diamonds, palladium, and platinum onto our blockchain. And again, the cost for using that service, the G999 coin. I won't say that anymore. Just assume that every service and product involved here involves the G9. We have something called the GS lifestyle system, whereby you can easily come in and out. I'm going to explain it in a minute, but you can easily come in and out of cryptocurrencies. We have decentralized banking. I'll explain that in a minute. We have something called a signature card, which is a security card that all people involved in cryptocurrency will want to have. It's the best in the world. We have an electric car that runs on G999. Oh yes, you're going to want to know more about that. We have something called GS World, or now called Lydian World. I'll explain that in a minute. Now, the green box with the question mark, I'm not really allowed to talk about it right now, but it is profoundly exciting. It's massively huge. It starts with I and it ends in O, and it's 3 letters. So that's all I'm going to say about it at this point. We have an open source blockchain. That means other people and their projects can come onto our blockchain and use it. And of course, what's the cost? The G999 cryptocurrency. We've got real estate. I'll tell you about that in a minute. We've got smart wealth. That's our banking system. And we just had a launch in Dubai whereby we were advertised on the full length of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest freestanding structure in the world. Yes, our G999 was flashing. All the aspects of our company was flashing up and down that tower. It's over half a mile high. Folks, this is a very serious project. Now, as these products and services on our blockchain come into full fruition, it's going to cause the demand for the coin to increase. That combined with a deflationary strategy, I won't go into that, but we have a deflationary strategy with the coin, meaning we're reducing the number of coins in circulation. What is that going to do? That's going to cause the price of the coin to rise. And many people are in this project for that reason. They're getting in early while the price of the coin is in at a low price. Well, let's look at what's next here. We can take our G9s and do something called DeFi and staking, and we can put them in nodes. What does that mean? That is in the world of cryptocurrency, that's a fancy name, or those are fancy names for savings plans, where you plant your coins in one place, you leave them there, and you earn an interest off of them. So there are already nodes in place doing that. Our current node for sale is paying out in Lydian lions, which I'll tell you about in a minute. Okay, so there is, you can see that I put a P on the G999 blockchain. Why? Well, it's not actually a passive income, but it has a high propensity for the coin to value up, which is a form of increase. I put a P on the nodes DeFi and staking because, of course, it is paying out in two kinds of coins. All right, what's next? Well, we can take and amplify parts of the system into the GS Smart Finance, which comes under our gold standard bank. And here is another opportunity. So it's like double dipping. You put your assets, which are already producing a passive income, into our banking system, and you're actually earning more, paying out in Tether. We're not quite sure yet, but certainly Tether, perhaps G999s, perhaps other assets. But the point is, you're double dipping, you're earning more. Well, let's look at another entity. G999 Exclusive Living. That's our tokenized real estate project. What does that mean? You can buy real estate in Dubai for as little as $9. I think it's 9.63 for every square inch. That's right. You can put in $10 and say, yes, I own real estate in Dubai, and it's paying out as well. If you keep your wealth in the real estate, it pays out in USDT, and also is being bonused with the Lydian Lion rate now. Again, remember, this is an overview. We'll go into more details on each of these in ensuing videos. Lydian World. What is Lydian World? Lydian World, think of a map of the whole world as you see here. Think of that there are people involved in this project in just about every nation in the world. Think of something called gross domestic product, which is the total value of goods and services produced in a given city, state, or country. So in GSPartners, business is happening. And if you're involved in Lydian World, you can partake without even doing the business. You can partake in the profits of those countries and states without even being there. Again, refer to the upcoming video. And you're paid out in certainly in USDT, perhaps in Bitcoin and Tether. We will see. GS Lifestyle is a very important part of this system. It is a system within a system. One of the challenges in cryptocurrencies is that coming from the fiat world, so your British pounds, your Japanese yen, your Chinese RMB, your European, your euro, Canadian dollar, whatever your currency is, getting into the cryptocurrency world can be challenging. I mean, it's very possible, of course. People are doing it around the world, but it's challenging. This system makes it easy to come in and easy to come out. So that's something that's very important as a part of this. Okay. Oh, and actually, that card should also have a P stamped on it, because it too can be a residual income opportunity for you if you're building a team. Well, last and not least is the Gold Standard Partners business system. That is, if you want to help friends, family, and others, whether on a minor scale or build a team on a major scale, it is another residual income opportunity and pays out in Bitcoin, USDT, and Ethereum. So folks, that is the overview of our multiple asset residual income ecosystem called GSPartners. with the utilization of the G999 cryptocurrency and blockchain, as well as 2 other cryptocurrencies internal to the system. So we talked about beating inflation, residual income, real estate, cryptocurrencies, earning with crypto, retirement. So what are your potential action items within this system? Well, you can simply acquire G999s. I don't even like to say buy them, because you're simply moving from one asset to another. You're moving your fiat currency into a cryptocurrency, which has a high propensity to increase in the days, weeks, and years to come. And then you can put that into a savings plan, into DeFi and staking. Number 2, you can acquire the G9s with the aim to get an exclusive node. And there you will be earning, so you'll be parking those coins as a savings plan, but also earning the Lydian Lion. You can acquire the XLT tokenized real estate, which is fractional ownership in Dubai, and even earn 6% per year off of that investment. Number 4, you can get involved in Lydian World. There's 196 potential income streams. Why 196? That's the number of nations that are involved so far, where GSPartners are going to be operating businesses there. Number 5, GS Wealth. You can earn up to 12% within that system, paid daily in USDT. And number 6, you can get involved in the business system, the GSPartners, where you attract more people into the system. That's actually blessing them, by the way. You're providing them with an opportunity to start a small business for a very low price. Earn part-time or full-time by sharing and building. So I introduced this by saying we're all about multiple asset residual income. I call it an engine. So we're beating inflation. It's residual incomes in spades. You can get involved in real estate if you want. You're into the cryptocurrency world. You're earning with crypto. It can be your retirement plan. And yes, you can be doing a better job at assisting and elevating children and parents, your whole personal family system. Ladies and gentlemen, we are rapidly moving digital in this world. Don't be afraid of it. Come into our system. It's a great family. We're all learning from each other. Come and join us. So my name's Dr. Greg Gerrie. Thank you for watching wherever you are in the world. Please honor the system, okay? Go get back to the person who sent this video to you. If nobody sent it to you and you found this independently, you can find my contact information. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and warmest wishes to you from Canada, and God bless you in all that you do. Thanks very much.